Want to increase your average order value without the extra effort? Let's build a high-converting product bundle in under 60 seconds. Getting started. Start by jumping into your dashboard and hitting Create New Bundle. You can choose from 3 powerful templates. For this one, we'll select the Snap Bundle. Give it a catchy name for your customers, like the Summer Essentials set. You can also customize the subtitle and the Add to Cart button text to fit your store's voice. Now let's add a percentage discount. We'll set it to 20% off. You'll see the bundle price update instantly in the preview, showing your customers exactly how much they're saving. Next, for the fun part, styling. Use the design settings to tweak the layout, adjust corner rounding, and change colors to perfectly match your brand. For placement, we'll select product pages to ensure maximum visibility. Now, let's add the products. Simply search your catalog and pick the items that naturally go together. We'll select these 4 essentials. Our app even lets you choose specific variants so your customers get exactly what they need. Once you're happy with the selection, hit Save. Finally, let's make it live. Within the Shopify theme editor, you can drag and drop the bundle section to the perfect spot. We'll place ours right below the main Add to Cart button. Hit Save one last time, and you're ready to go. The result. Let's see it in action. On the live store, customers can add the entire set with one click. Moving to the checkout, you can see the 20% discount is automatically applied. It's a seamless shopping experience for your customers and a bigger checkout for you. Start bundling today.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Grow Pulse on YouTube.